If your induction cooktop is making a clicking or buzzing sound, it's not the stove. It's a warning sign from your cookware. At Wade Media Labs, we wanted to know why some high-end pans chatter on induction while others are silent. We audited 10 leading sets to find the source of the noise. Induction works via high-frequency electromagnetism. Clicking occurs when multiply metal layers, or cladding, are poorly bonded, causing them to vibrate against each other at thousands of cycles per second. We subjected each pan to a high wattage stress test. We found that even microscopic structural warping creates a gap between the pan and the glass, turning your cookware into a vibration chamber. To prevent clicking, you need warp resistance. We measured the base thickness and bonding density of each contender. Thin gauge pans failed our noise audit within minutes of high power use. Only 3 sets emerged as truly warp resistant and silent. These winners utilized high-density forged bases and monolithic bonding that eliminates internal vibration. They are built for the physics of induction. A silent kitchen is a sign of superior engineering. In the workshop of the kitchen, structural integrity is the key to performance. See the full decibel logs, the base thickness measurements, and our 3 silent winners at cookwarescout.com. Look for the Induction Warp Guide.